Today we're going to be changing out the fog light bulb on our 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is a limited, but I'm pretty sure it's the same for anyone who has fog lights down here. What you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a pry tool, and let's get started. So if you don't have a lift, turn your wheel all the way in, facing the passenger side, and if you're on the other side, face the driver's side. What we're going to have to do is take out these clips, this clip, and it looks like we got a bolt in here, 10 millimeter, and we'll take that out so we can access this panel and get to our fog light bulb. So these clips here, they have like little tops on them. You can pry it out with your screwdriver and then use your pry tool to get it out. And then you got to get the bottom out, which is really easy. There we go. I'm going to use a 10 millimeter on this one. Somebody put in a bolt for that, which is fine. And I'll put on left. All right. Now we have our clips and our bolt out. You can pull this back and you can see fog light is right here. Okay, and you need to get the bulb out. There's two clips on the side here. Okay. All right, so there's two prongs on the side, both of which I've broken, but you have to replace the whole thing anyway. So there's one here and one here. And now your bulb is loose. You can press this right here, just like that, press right there, and the whole thing comes out. So right here, there's two prongs. You can see they clip in. So typically you press them in, but this is so old, it's a 2011. But don't worry, you buy the whole bulb and mechanism anyway. Here's our new bulb. As you can see, the two prongs are on the side, and that's kind of how you get it out. And make sure you wear gloves so you don't touch the bulb with your hand, because the oils on your hand will diminish the life of the bulb. Okay, so let's get it in here. All right, I'll just put it in here like this, and it snaps in. That's what the clips do, they snap right in. Now let's go test it. Here's our 10 millimeter. All right. And that's how you change out your fog light bulb on your 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.